AI has become the new get-rich-quick scheme. Every day, I see new courses, new gurus, and new promises about easy AI money. Some people are making real money with AI, but most of what you're seeing online is either completely fake or leaving out crucial details that make or break your success. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what I discovered when I tested 8 different AI side hustles. I'll reveal which ones actually made money, which ones were complete wastes of time, and most importantly, I'll give you the real earning potential and time investment for each method. I'm also going to expose the 3 biggest lies being told about AI side hustles that could cost you hundreds of dollars and weeks of wasted effort. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's separate the AI gold from the AI garbage. Before we dive into my test results, let's talk about why AI side hustles are everywhere right now. ChatGPT launched less than 2 years ago, and suddenly everyone became an AI expert overnight. The promise is simple. Let the robots do the work while you collect the cash. Here's how the scam works. Someone creates a course called ChatGPT Millionaire or AI Cash System, shows you screenshots of earnings that may or may not be real, and promises you can copy their exact method. They're selling courses for $497 to $2,997, promising you'll make that back in your first week. The truth? AI is a powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. It's like saying, make money with Microsoft Word. Well, yeah, you can write books, create content, start a blog, but the tool itself isn't magic. The person using the tool and the strategy behind it, that's what matters. According to recent data, less than 5% of people who buy AI side hustle courses actually make back their course fee. That's not because AI doesn't work. It's because most people are being sold unrealistic expectations and incomplete strategies. So I decided to put my money where my mouth is. I spent $3,847 on different AI courses and tools, invested 120 hours over 30 days, and tested 8 different methods. Some of you have been asking for this investigation, and here are the results. First up, AI content creation services. The pitch is simple. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media content, or marketing copy for businesses. Charge $50 to $200 per piece and scale to thousands per month. Sounds reasonable, right? I created profiles on Upwork and Fiverr offering AI-assisted content creation services. I used ChatGPT 4, Claude, and Jasper AI to create blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content. Here's what happened. Days 1 to 3, posted 15 different gigs, applied to 25 jobs. Got exactly 0 responses. Why? Everyone and their grandmother is offering the same service. The market is completely saturated with people using the exact same AI tools. Day 4 to 7, I finally got 3 clients by drastically lowering my prices. Made $87 for about 18 hours of work. That's $4.83 per hour. Most AI content needs significant human editing to be valuable. You're not just pressing a button and getting $200. You need to research the client's industry, understand their voice, edit for accuracy, and often rewrite significant portions. It's not passive income. It's active work that pays less than minimum wage unless you're already an experienced writer. The people making real money with AI content creation already had writing skills and client relationships before AI existed. They use AI to speed up their existing process by 20 to 30%, not replace their skills entirely. If you're experienced, $200 to $500 per week using AI to enhance your existing writing business. If you're a beginner, $50 to $150 per week, working 20 plus hours, competing with thousands of others. Test number 2, creating and selling AI-generated digital products. The gurus say you can create planners, workbooks, courses, or even children's books using AI. Then sell them on platforms like Etsy or Amazon for passive income. I spent $89 on MidJourney for AI art generation, $47 on BookBolt for research, and about 25 hours creating 12 different digital products: printable planners, motivational quote books, and simple workbooks. Using ChatGPT, I created content for budget planners, meal planning templates, and fitness tracking sheets. Used MidJourney to generate covers and interior graphics. Everything looked professional, at least on the surface. Total sales, $23.47 across all platforms. Why so low? First, the market is flooded with AI-generated products that all look similar. Second, customers are getting smarter about recognizing AI content, and many specifically avoid it. What the courses don't tell you: you need to understand market research, SEO for each platform, customer psychology, and basic design principles. The AI tools are maybe 20% of the work. The other 80% is research, optimization, marketing, and customer service. Also discovered that some AI-generated content can have copyright issues, especially images. Had one product removed from Etsy because the AI art was too similar to existing copyrighted work. This is a real legal risk nobody talks about. Etsy now has over 2 million results when you search for AI-generated planner. Amazon KDP is equally saturated. Standing out requires the same marketing skills that were needed before AI existed. The successful sellers I found combine AI tools with genuine expertise in their niche. A fitness trainer using AI to speed up workout plan creation, or a financial advisor using AI to help format budgeting templates. AI enhances their existing knowledge. It doesn't replace it. Month 1, $10 to $50 in sales while you learn the platforms. Month 6, $100 to $300 monthly if you focus on one niche and develop real expertise. This isn't passive income. It requires constant product creation and marketing. Third test, creating custom chatbots for small businesses. The pitch is that every business needs a chatbot. You can create them using no-code AI tools and charge $500 to $2,000 per bot, plus monthly maintenance fees. I learned ChatFuel, ManyChat, and VoiceFlow, 3 popular no-code chatbot platforms. Created sample bots for restaurants, real estate agents, and e-commerce stores. The technical side was actually pretty straightforward. Here's where reality hit hard. Convincing small businesses they need a chatbot is incredibly difficult. Most business owners I contacted either already tried chatbots and had bad experiences, or they don't see the value. Out of 47 businesses I contacted, only 2 showed serious interest, and only 1 actually paid for a bot. Total views across all 3 channels after 30 days, 12,847 views. Ad revenue, $8.32. Why so low? YouTube's algorithm heavily favors channels with consistent engagement, and AI content often lacks the personal connection that drives shares and comments. The bigger issue is competition. There are thousands of AI-generated channels being created daily, all targeting the same keywords and topics. Standing out requires the same content strategy skills, SEO knowledge, and audience understanding that successful YouTubers have always needed. The successful AI YouTubers I found use AI to enhance their content creation process, not replace their strategic thinking. They still appear on camera, still engage with their audience personally, and use AI to help with research and initial draft creation. Now let me share the 3 biggest lies being told about AI side hustles that you need to know. Lie number 1. AI does all the work for you. This is completely false. AI handles maybe 30 to 40% of any money-making process. You still need to understand your market, create strategy, handle customer service, manage marketing, and constantly optimize your approach. AI speeds up certain tasks, but it doesn't eliminate the need for business skills. Lie number 2. No skills or experience required. This is the most dangerous lie. Every successful AI side hustler I studied had existing skills in their field. The AI just made them more efficient. If you don't understand copywriting principles, your AI-generated content will be garbage. If you don't understand business fundamentals, your AI-powered business will fail just like any other business. Lie number 3. Guaranteed passive income. There's nothing passive about maintaining AI systems, updating prompts, handling customer complaints, or staying current with rapidly changing AI technology. Even digital products require ongoing marketing and optimization. But here's the good news. AI can legitimately enhance your income if you use it correctly. Here are 3 AI applications that actually work for making extra money. First, AI-enhanced freelancing in fields you already know. If you're a graphic designer, use AI to speed up initial concepts. If you're a writer, use AI for research and first drafts. If you're a marketer, use AI for data analysis and campaign ideas. This can increase your hourly earnings by 25 to 50%. Second, AI for existing business optimization. If you already run a service business, use AI for customer communication, scheduling, or basic administrative tasks. The people making serious money with AI either had existing businesses that they enhanced with AI tools, or they developed genuine expertise in their niche and use AI to scale their operations. Here's my challenge for you. If you want to explore AI side hustles, pick one skill you already have and research how AI could make you 20% more efficient at it. Don't try to build an entire business around AI. Build a business that happens to use AI as one of its tools. The AI revolution is real, and there are legitimate opportunities to make money. But the get-rich-quick promises you're seeing everywhere, those are modern snake oil, designed to separate you from your money. Stick with proven business principles. Use AI as a tool to enhance your efforts, and focus on providing real value to real people. If this video saved you from wasting money on overpriced AI courses, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Flow Labs for more honest breakdowns of money-making trends. Next week, I'm testing the latest cryptocurrency side hustles to see which ones are legit and which ones are scams. You won't want to miss that investigation. Remember, at Money Flow Labs, we believe in building real wealth through proven strategies and honest hard work. AI can be part of that journey, but it's not a magic money-making machine. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep building your money flow the right way. See you in the next video.